Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and ensuring the harness is stable. This prevents shorts and keeps contacts intact. Once done, inspect the connector closely to find the retention tab and wire order so you can return terminals correctly. You position the terminal removal tool into the access slot while holding the wire back. This releases the crimped tang. Make sure to keep small parts organized and photograph the connector for reference before you remove multiple terminals. Now focus on the technique. Insert the tool until you feel a click. This is the tang disengaging. You apply steady, light pulling force on the wire while the tool holds the latch open. Quick yanks can deform the terminal, so be deliberate. If a terminal resists, wiggle the wire slightly and reseat the tool, then try again from the opposite angle. You keep inspection frequent, verifying pins are undamaged, and that insulation stops sit at the connector lip to ensure future reliability. Finish by inserting each terminal back in the right slot until you hear or feel the click that indicates the tang has locked. You then run continuity and wiggle tests to confirm reliable contact. Replace any terminals with compromised crimps. If a terminal will not seat or release, try a tiny amount of contact-safe lubricant or gentle heat to relax plastic and use a specialized pick. Avoid brute force. Key troubleshooting. If connectors misbehave, stop and inspect for broken tangs before powering up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.